Every year, millions of students complete courses. They watch lectures, they solve assignments, they score well in quizzes. And yet, when the real interview begins, confidence disappears. Not because they lack information, but because they mistook familiarity for mastery. Today's learning platforms deliver content, but they don't measure thinking. They don't detect weak concepts. They don't adapt in real time, and they don't tell you the uncomfortable truth that you may not understand as well as you think. SkillForgeAI was built to change that. It is not an answer engine. It is a cognitive intelligence system designed to analyze how you think, adapt to how you learn, and structure how you grow. Our adaptive quiz system doesn't just evaluate scores, it evaluates patterns, response time, repeated mistakes, concept-level weaknesses. Questions adjust dynamically, becoming easier when confusion is detected and harder when mastery improves. The system doesn't reward guessing, it rewards understanding. Learning shouldn't feel abstract. With interactive concepts, users visualize logic instead of memorizing syntax. In build mode, code transforms into flowcharts and mind maps, turning complexity into clarity, because true confidence comes from seeing the structure behind the solution. SkillForgeAI supports multilingual learning. Students can ask doubts in English, Hindi, English, or Tamil. Because intelligence should never be limited by language. An integrated AI assistant guides users whenever confusion arises. Preparation is incomplete without pressure. Our interview simulation module recreates real coding interview environments. Users receive structured feedback before facing actual placement rounds. So when opportunity arrives, they are ready. Every module connects. Concepts feed quizzes. Quizzes generate insights. Insights adjust learning paths. Every action strengthens the system. Every mistake becomes a data point for improvement. In a world flooded with information, structured skill development is the real advantage. SkillForgeAI doesn't just help students complete courses, it helps them build clarity, build confidence, and build competence, because content gives information, practice builds ability, but feedback builds mastery. SkillForgeAI forges how you think. Most students don't fail because they lack content. They fail because they think they understand, until the interview begins and confidence disappears. The problem isn't information, it's the illusion of mastery. SkillForgeAI was built to break that illusion. SkillForgeAI is not an answer engine. It analyzes how you think, it tracks how you respond, and it adapts as you grow. Questions adjust in real time, not just based on scores, but based on understanding. The system detects whether you truly know or simply guessed correctly. You don't just memorize code, you visualize logic, convert concepts into flowcharts, turn confusion into clarity, ask doubts in your own language, practice real-time interviews, receive structured feedback before the real opportunity arrives. Every module connects, every action generates insight, every mistake becomes a learning trigger. In a world flooded with information, a structured improvement is the real advantage. Skill development should be measurable, not assumed. Content gives information, practice builds ability, but feedback builds mastery. SkillForgeAI doesn't just help you learn, it forges how you think. Imagine a first-year engineering student starting data structures. At first, concepts feel overwhelming. Trees, graphs, recursion. With SkillForgeAI, the system detects confusion early. It slows down, it simplifies, it reinforces weak areas. Over time, difficulty increases automatically, not based on syllabus, but based on demonstrated understanding. Growth becomes structured, not accidental. SkillForgeAI doesn't just teach, it measures progress at a concept level. Users can track mastery trends, identify persistent weak zones. Instead of asking, "Did I finish the chapter?" they ask, "Did I master the concept?" For colleges, SkillForgeAI can provide performance analytics across classrooms. For training institutes, it enables adaptive structured learning at scale. For corporate environments, it helps identify skill gaps before they affect productivity. This is not just a student tool, it's an intelligence layer for education systems. The future will not reward information recall, it will reward clarity of thinking, adaptability, structured problem solving. SkillForgeAI is designed around that future because the real question is not how much have you studied. The real question is, Chu, how well can you think? SkillForgeAI doesn't just prepare students for exams, it prepares them for real world challenges. We are Team ForgePrime, and we are building the future of adaptive skill development.